cream stick wall shelf. For this one you will need ice cream sticks. Now you will make 3 hexagon shapes like honeycomb. Remove these middle 3 sticks and your pattern is ready. Now stick ice cream sticks over this till you get the desired space. Here I am painting it with black paint. You can choose any color that you want. Just color it neatly. You can stick this to the wall with the help of double-sided tape, or you can use some nails. DIY wooden wall shelf. For this you will need a piece of wood and some paint. Now paint it neatly. Make sure you paint the sides of it. And it's done. It will look something like this. Take 2 long enough ropes. Fold them in half and tie a knot. Now you can put the wooden plank in between this and hang it wherever you want. You can stick this rope from the downside, and now it's ready.